on tariffs. At the beginning, $3 was the average. 3% was the average. It has now gone up to 18%. A 6% increase. 6x increase. Sorry, thank you. US imports to go up from $46 billion. You're talking about our budget. US imports to go up from $46 billion to $146 billion. I mean, this is absurd. This is absolutely absurd. And they have no commitment to us. We have a commitment to them. We are going to add $100 billion a year to your imports, and no commitment to us. We're just standing there like fools. And our tariff has gone up from 3% to 18%, and theirs has come down from 16 to 0. Now, I understand that the people across the aisle here want to protect our country. I understand the people across the aisle here value our data. I believe they do. I also believe that the Prime Minister understands that India's biggest asset is its people, and as a result, its data. I know that. I do not believe for 1 second that the Prime Minister does not understand this. Next, textiles. I visited a Gurgaon factory recently, and I asked them what's going on. They said, we are finished as a result of the tariffs. Now what have you done? You have, the United States has reduced Bangladesh's tariff to 0. And our tariff is 18%. What do you expect our textile people to do? They're dead, they're finished. The entire textile industry is gone because their competitor is Bangladesh. If Bangladesh imports US cotton, they have 0% duty, finished. Textile industry, gone. Let's talk about energy. What we need for the data, what we need for our food, what we have fought for, energy security, gone. Now the United States will decide who we buy oil from.
Yes.
The United States will come to us and say, you cannot buy oil from so-and-so, and so-and-so, and so-and-so. Russia, Iran, whoever they want. They will decide. Our Prime Minister will not decide. Please understand, and they will monitor. They will keep a watch, meaning they will look, and if India buys oil from anyone they do not want, they will punish us. And they will take our tariffs right back to 50%. For the first time in Indian history, our farmers are facing a storm. Makkah, soybean, lal jawar, kapas. You have opened the door. You have opened the door to mechanized American farms, thousands and thousands of acres each farm. You have opened the door to crush our poor farmers. It is disgraceful. It is disgraceful. No Prime Minister has ever done this before. And let me tell you, no Prime Minister after you is ever going to do it. So we are facing a storm. You accept that we are facing a storm. You yourself say the era of one superpower is over, intensifying geopolitical conflicts. You yourself say energy and finance weaponization, and you have allowed the Americans to weaponize our finance and our energy against us. What does it mean when America says you cannot buy oil from somebody? It means our energy is weaponized. What does it mean when they say your tariffs will go down, our tariffs will go down and yours will come up? It means finance trade is weaponized. So you are telling us that the world is a place where geopolitical conflict is intensifying. You're telling us energy and finance being weaponized, and then you're having it done to you. You're having it done to our farmers. You're having it done to our youngsters. You're handing our data over. How can you even make these statements? How can you even come to this house and talk this type of nonsense? Yes, are you not ashamed of yourselves? Are you not ashamed of giving?
No. We are patiently listening to Honorable Leader of Opposition. We are patiently listening. But the words.
So I'm not yielding, sir.
No, but you are saying shameful. You are saying nonsense.
Nonsense.
So how can you? Okay,
when the finance minister replies in the evening, the leader of opposition should listen to the reply of the honorable finance minister. Yes. My request is, please use the word whatever you choose to use, but don't make it abusive. It doesn't.
That's not abusive, my friend.
Nonsense. जो nonsense आपने यूज किया वो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. Nonsense is not appropriate.
I did not use nonsense, sir.
You have used.
Okay, sir, I won't use nonsense.
Please.
Sir, ashamed is not an abuse.
No.
There's nothing, in saying, are you not ashamed, there is no abuse.
No, ashamed you can use.
I am just stating.
Whatever you have,
okay, sir, let me speak.
Forgotten, I think so.
I am saying, Speaker, sir, I am saying that you have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India?
Yes.
Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame? But sir, the interesting thing is, I know that the Prime Minister would not sell India under normal circumstances. He will not do it. You know why he sold India? Because they are choking him.
Mr. Rahul, address to the chair, please.
He has sold India because they are choking him. They've got a grip on his neck. Speaker sir, मैंने बोला जब चोक लगाते हैं दूसरे व्यक्ति की आंख में देखते हो तो डर दिखता है सर. पीएम की आंख में डर दिखता है. दिख रहा है सर आंख में आंख नहीं मिला पाते हैं. स्पीकर सर दो चीजें हैं सर. एक सर एप्स्टीन केस सर 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं. मैं क्यों बोलूं? I will not allow you. आप कौन होते हैं? आप बैठिए. नहीं देखिए आप लगातार आपको 25 मिनट हो गया. किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया.
Okay, Speaker sir, वो एप्स्टीन की बात नहीं कर रहा.
Is not related with the budget.
Okay sir, I won't say Epstein.
I will not allow. That will not.
I'm not saying Epstein. Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget, like I said, jujitsu में grip दिखती है, राजनीति में grip choke नहीं दिखता. At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is a central part of the budget.
वो भी इस हाउस के
Why, sir?
कोई सर्विस नहीं दिखता. आप आरोप लगा रहे कैसे सवाल देंगे? किसी पे माननीय लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन आप लिख करके दे सकते हैं. अगर आप जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
स्पीकर सर,
आप नियम 352(5) और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को
नहीं सर,
उनके साथ जोड़े.
तो बोलने तो
आप नियम जानिए.
आप सर अदानी जी जो है,
आप अपने बजट तक सीमित रहिए. देखिए आप जो भी चाहे अपनी बात कहें. आप अपनी बजट पे बात कहें, बजट
मैं कर रहा हूं सर।
बजट पे आलोचना
सर, आप मुझे
करें।
करने दीजिए।
आपको बिल्कुल लगा, आप बैठिए बेनी बहन जी, बेनी बहन जी, आप अपनी बात जो कह रहे हैं वो कहिए, लेकिन जब किसी का नाम लेकर के और किसी हायर अथॉरिटी करें तो आप ये सदन नियमों से चलेगा और आप इस तरीके से आरोप नहीं लगा सकते सरकार पे। बस।
Sir, Mr. Adani is not an ordinary businessman. Mr. Adani's company is not an ordinary company. Please understand that the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani.
नहीं, ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि कहाँ नहीं, क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
It is targeted, sir, at the financial network of the BJP, at the financial architecture of the
You are
BJP.
leveling charges against higher authorities, and only you can speak. जी, please. श्री रविशंकर प्रसाद जी, क्या है पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर?
बिल्कुल।
व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट?
गलत बयानी करना इनकी आदत बन गई है, टिपिकली सुनाते हैं।
श्री प्रहलाद जोशी जी, किरण रिजिजू जी,
हम लोगों ने बार-बार कहा,
श्री
हम लोग बहुत शांति से
पार्लियामेंट्री
सुन रहे
अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर,
आई एम वेरी
पूरा सदन सुन रहा है। पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर साहब, इनको
सर,
पूरा सदन सुन-
हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर लेवलिंग सीरियस चार्जेस without any reason, without any backing of substance, without any proof, you are just
Okay, one
making any
second.
wild
One second.
allegation.
I'll give you a reason.
That will
Give me.
diminish your own
I'll give you
position.
a reason. I'll give
you
you a
are
reason.
leader of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
We
I
are
will.
here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are
Now
here
let
to
me
listen,
speak.
but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker, sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
मिस्टर चेयर,
to Epstein.
मिस्टर राहुल, नो
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who
आप जो
introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी हो,
हरदीप पुरी है,
या
सर।
रानी हो,
हरदीप
जिनको-
पुरी is a
जिनको
member of
अपनी
parliament
बात का आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए, a member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a professional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of proceeding of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on its substance. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें और सभा